Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my first ever time making a Roblox video. I'm so excited. Well, as you see, I don't have Robux, but I just want to make this video just for fun. Okay, let's go. So today's video, I'm going to see what will people trade for a dodo bird. I know it's kind of easy to get, but I don't know. Let's see. Trading dodo bird. Now copy paste this to make it more easy. Trading dodo bird. I don't know if the guy someone trade me. This video just started. Okay, let's see. A ghost bunny, not bad, but I'm gonna ask the person to add. Add, I guess. Yes, add. Can you add? Can you add? Okay, so I don't know if this guy reads my message. I'm just gonna write her username. Add Lee, because some people never. Yes, I'm gonna add Lee. Oh, let's find which Lee before. Who was it? I don't see it. Oh, someone have a right koala. I have to offer that. I don't know if the guy would accept because he's gonna decline. Like a dodo board for a koala is not fair. So guys, never get scammed, okay? Okay, see? The guy will decline. Anyways, let's continue. Let's find something else. Someone have an ever dodo. This guy looks rich, I guess? Cause look. What did he say? Blue, follow me. I want to say something, but I'm trading this guy, so sorry. I'm gonna ask the person to add. It's really under, but yeah, add. Okay, I have to decline this. Oh, the guy declined. That's weird. Wait. Is this real? Someone gave a free frost dragon. That's so weird. Anyways, blue girl? Who is this blue girl? But that guy's so lucky to get a free frost dragon. I never had a frost dragon, but let's just continue our video. A fossil egg? A human bubble. I'm gonna add the person to add. Can you add? Is this guy adding? Add? Oh, sorry. Trading train? No thank you. I already have a train. Wait, is this guy controlling his pet? What should I do? I can't trade it. Trade. I think it's this guy who trades the game. Oh yeah. How would she be a baby and the pet's so big? Anyways, let's go. I don't know if this guy will do. I'm gonna see what the people offer. Oh, the guy declined. Even. Okay, so. Oh my, someone's begging. Okay. I'm just gonna continue trading. Maybe this guy, IDK. If someone doesn't accept a trade request in this time, I have to change a pet because I think people are not interested with dodos. Oh, okay, so I have to change a pet. So, I was thinking of maybe, let's see what would people offer for a neon FR starfish. Really cute neon FR starfish. If there's also no, I don't know. I have to wait. let's try this guy. If no one will accept for this neon if starfish, I have to trade another pet, which is the F griffin. Oh no, it's just a red golden ladybug. They have an offer actually. What should I offer? The dodo bird IDK. So this is gonna decline. Anyways, I wanna offer that. I don't have that. I really wish I have that. You think I'm poor? Yes, actually I'm poor a bit, but yeah. Oh, you guys only trade with friends. Maybe this? Let's see. If the guy would accept for neon for starfish. If this guy accepts, I'm gonna be like, yeah. But if it's just a ride, I have to change offer, cause yeah. Is this guy AFK or something? Okay, there. Is that a FR? This. If the guy doesn't add anything, I just want to see if it's butterfly. It's just a golden ladybug. Actually, I have an offer for that. No worries. But I'm gonna ask the person to add because mine's a FR. Oh, the guy did land. That was weird. Anyways, oh, someone's offering me. Let's take out my Yennefer. FR Scalerex. Not bad, but I have something else to offer that. I know I'm under, but I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add this. Oh, no need to Lunar Ox. No need Lunar Ox. Lunar Ox. Okay, then. Oh, oh. Whoa, whoa, that's an insane trade. I have to put my back. So this up. Oh, that's weird. It's like nothing happened. It's like so weird. Anyways, it's this guy again who has the golden ladybug. I'm gonna offer that. I know this is kind of a bad trade, but I don't know if the guy will accept. I think the guy will decline. Oh, I even haven't finished adding. Okay. Anyways, Dodo is better than T-Rex, right? Yes. I'm gonna try this guy. Cause say Dodo's more better than Shark. I have to offer that. I definitely have to offer that. No. Where's the guy? Where's the guy? Oh, here's the guy. Please. I really want to offer that. No. So, anyways, okay. Anyways, just forget it. I don't know if people are still interested with the dodo. Let's go back with the dodo. Even people is kind of bored with dodos. Yeah. Well, someone say, well, I'm just gonna trade her. I don't know. There goes the fox. But declined what? Okay. Trading unicorn. I hatched it from a month ago. Okay. No lie. I'm gonna accept the dodo for a unicorn. But I'm gonna ask the person to add. So sorry, because dodos are not gonna be in the game. I'm gonna say add a bit, please. Add a bit, please. And a bit, please. Okay. Or maybe he already traded the unicorn for something else. Okay, I'm gonna say add a bit, please. One more. I know I'm kind of rude person, but okay. I'm gonna accept this. I think the guy will decline because no. Don't say shit because many people like to unequip the legendaries after they add some. Is this guy really gonna do it? If this guy really do it, I'm gonna be so happy. This guy say OMG really? Okay. But can you add again? But now can you add again? Add again, okay. But now can you add again? please? Because actually I miss my dodo. Okay, so I'm gonna say thank you. He's so kind. I'm gonna trade him. A triceratops? Okay. A cracked egg. That's not bad. One more. Oh, the biceps. Okay, so thank you so much. This guy is so kind. Let's go. We got a uni, guys. That's so cool. This guy is so kind. He trusted me. I mean, yeah. I'm gonna say thank you so much. He's so kind. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, I'm gonna take out my unicorn and I have a better idea. We can use our rainbow ruler because it's so cute. So now pick up. Scam. Oh, that's good. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna say yes. Yes. Oh, someone trade me. Okay, so now in this video we're gonna trade a unicorn because we traded the dodo. I don't wanna end this video, so that's why we're now trading a unicorn. I don't know. Okay, so she wants it for free, but sorry. Okay, now let's continue. Someone have a brown bear. Wait a minute. I think I have that, but I traded away for a neon right Australian Champion ads. But no, the guy declined. Why? That was weird. I haven't added anything. Okay, this guy has a golden ladybug. Let's continue. Let's see. This unicorn is so cute. I never had a unicorn before. Well, I had. It was an FR and a ride, but I traded away for some reason. Who wants to buy me a ride ox? I don't know how to buy, but actually, guys, I found on the internet say type 8A and your pet has no name, but I don't know. Nope, it still has a name, so this is actually not really good. Yeah, but that's okay. They tried their best, so I'm just gonna still be. Let's use this unicorn. The crown. What should I put to my unicorn? Glasses, I think. A rainbow pen. Okay. Wait a minute. I think I have some fur boots for me. I think it's really cute. Here. That's so adorable. Let's see if oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go continue. Oh, what is this guy doing? Why is he thank you? Anyways, who wants to buy a ride? Okay, so maybe no need. Let's see. Trading unicorn. Trading uni. Okay. Anyways, I don't know. I'm just gonna say it. This. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, that was so bad. I just sent the and then suddenly someone traded me. Oh, she wants this. I think I remember this guy. Yes, she just gave me comments and just wanted to. Yeah. Anyways, let's see if the person. Sorry, I have to hide it because I don't know. I just love my uni. Okay, pace. Oh, it's okay. Maybe wait. Trading Dragon P. Okay, I'm gonna say. Here. Oh no, someone already traded him. Okay. Anyways, I'm a trade. Please offer my musk ox. Of course. Don't run away. I'm gonna trade you if you keep running away. No. I really want that. So offer that. Wait, offer that magnitude thing. Okay. Oh, I just wanted to say. Oh my gosh, why people can't wait to. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue. This is Randy Chu. I don't know. They're unicorn, I guess. Okay, this guy. I'm not gonna do it. Of course, many people don't do it, but sometimes that's so fair. I'm gonna say yes. 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 That's so fair. Anyways, let's continue to our vids. So, oh, I remember this guy. I was at friending her. I think that's my new best friend. Cause I had ever be a best friend with a noob, but I forgot the user. I think it's that guy who betrayed me. Anyways, I'm gonna see. I keep pending requests. That's weird. No answers from the trade. Okay, so I have to go to the next trade. Trading Ladybug. Well, I already have Ladybug because I traded away. So actually, I have another. Oh, what should I offer, guys? Comment down below. I have a lot of must ox, and especially I have the manyest ox. Just look. See? It's like so long to scroll it down. Anyways, what should I offer? A woolly mammoth, I guess? Let's see. I think the guy won't do it because, see? Okay, anyways, let's just continue. Oh, someone had the right slot. I don't know if the guy was a separate unicorn. Yeah. Just take our unicorn. And also, see what the people choose from. Anyways, we just need to wait for some reason. Yeah. So, a right slot. You have to accept this. I think it's fair. No, yes, IDK. Anyways, guys, I would definitely accept that, but I don't know if the guy would do it. So I think it's okay if the guy declines. Okay, I think the guy will see. Many people, if they another fossil egg. Sorry, I already have a lot of fossil eggs, so I can't do that. Cause yeah. Anyways, red ground slot. But the guy has to add because I'm not really into a ground slot. Even is right, but I'm gonna ask the person to add. I don't know if you're gonna hate me for this, but I just wanna ask the person to add. Add. Please add. Oh my gosh. What? The guy declined. That was so weird. It's like nothing happened. Like I was just saying add and the guy declined? Is it because I said add or because he don't want? I don't know. Anyways. Oh, someone traded me. Good job. I haven't got trades for a long time. Anyways. A red middle ox. I think the guy will definitely decline. Because many people that middle ox is right, plus it's legendary, not in game. See, I told you. So yeah, guys, if you're trading with someone, never do this. Now we're getting a lot of trade. That's weird. Anyways, he's gonna decline. I'm gonna add a middle ox, an albino bat, and let's do this, guys. Ladybug. Anyways, please. None of mine doesn't have a rat pet, so I think the guy will decline. Oh, the guy said that. Oh no, she changed it to a kitsune. Anyways, I'm gonna do this because wait, actually, I'm not really into kitsunes. I'm gonna ask the person to add. I'm gonna say add again. I think you're gonna hate me for this, but I don't know. I love unicorns. So, I don't know. I have to... Okay. Add. Still add. I'm sorry, guys, because I really love my unicorn. Add ultra rare. Add ultra rare. Add ultra rare. Yes, add ultra rare. I think people will hate me for this, but I don't know. I just love my unicorns so much. The guy will decline, I know, because many people... Okay, I'm gonna say keep adding. Keep adding. Keep adding. Okay. More. Now, legendary. I know you're gonna hate me for... Oh, the guy declined. Good. Anyways, I don't care, guys. Let's just go to the next one. Someone had a neon Tasmanian tiger plus. That's right. I don't know if the guy would do it, but anyway, I'm choosing this guy. Okay. Someone have a bright neon bat. Not bad. I'm gonna offer that. Don't run away! I want that. It's cute. Anyways, I'm gonna add the unicorn and I'm gonna add a right dingo. That right dingo was my first ever right pet, so I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a neon FR. The guy will definitely decline, but I don't know. I'm just trying. Oh, that's weird. Anyway. I'm gonna say trading unicorn. But we already did a trade after day, right? It's the dodo. Anyway, trading uni for YouTube. I don't know. Oh, done. I don't know if people believe me that for YouTube, but we're really in YouTube, so yeah. He's gonna decline. He's gonna decline. Oh my gosh! He's really doing it, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. Really, this is so cool. Really, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please, please, please. If this guy confirms, I will be shouting, so yeah. Please, 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 cross fingers, cross fingers. Please, please. This is, I don't know, people always decline because fly pets are so rare, like so rare. If this guy declines, I'm not forcing him, actually. It's okay if you don't want. Oh, the guy declined. That was so sad, guys. Anyways, guys, we're gonna do one more trade for the super last video. Okay. Someone have a turkey plush?
I don't have any of them, sir.
Whoa.
Oh, why?
So, yeah. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and join the giveaway. You're gonna win a blue cat ear headphones right over here. Okay, bye guys.